This video we will learn how to change profile picture on YouTube on iPhone. So let's begin.
So to change the profile picture of YouTube on iPhone, the process is really easy and simple. So first make sure that you are connected with the internet. And once connected with the internet, simply go and open your YouTube app. So here we go. So once the YouTube app is open, this would look somewhat similar to this one. Now you need to tap on your profile icon at the right top corner. So tap on this one. Here you can see, and here you can simply go and tap on switch account to go to the account of which you want to change the profile of. So once you are on that account where you want to change the profile of, simply go and again tap on that icon at the right top corner. This would appear. Now tap on manage your Google account. This would open up a new window, and here in some of the cases you might be required to log in to your Google account. So simply go and enter your email and password of that Google account. So once you are logged in, tap on personal info. This would open up a new tab. So here you can see now it says photo. A photo helps personalize your account. So tap on this camera icon, tap on this. Here you can see now scroll down a bit, and here you can see select a photo from your computer. Tap on this. Here tap on photo library. So once you're in your photo library, simply go and select any of the photo that you want to set for. Like if I go and tap on all photos, select any of the photo like this one, tap on done. It would start uploading that photo and wait for that to complete. So that would be completed in few more moments. After that, you need to do a bit of a setting. So here we go. So now you need to select your focus point. Here you can see like this one. Here you can see. So you need to select your focus point by using your finger. So once you have done so, tap on set as profile photo. So it would take a bit of a time while setting it as a profile photo. And in a few moments, this would appear across web, across mobile, and all other platforms. Tap on done now. So in few moments it would appear on web as well as mobile. So hope it has helped you in changing your profile picture on YouTube on iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.